Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting prerequisites out of the way so setup proceeds smoothly. Sign into your Google account and install Google Pay. This links your identity to payment methods. Once done, enable a secure screen lock and location permissions so Tap to Pay works reliably. Make sure your device OS meets requirements and that you have Wi-Fi or mobile data. This speeds card verification. Now open the app and tap Add a Payment Method to start entering your card details. Next, add your card precisely. Type the card number, expiry, CVV, and correct billing address so the bank can match records. Then choose a verification method, SMS code, email link, or an automatic bank app confirmation because verification prevents fraud. Once verified, set this card as your default for contactless and in-app purchases to avoid prompts later. Make sure to review bank prompts and authorize any temporary holds. These are normal and confirm the card is yours. Finally, complete setup by testing a small contactless purchase or an in-app payment to confirm everything works. If payment fails, first update the Google Pay app, restart the phone, or clear app cache. These quick steps often fix tokenization issues. If problems continue, remove the card and re-add it. Sometimes re-verification resolves the error. If you still see verification or hold issues after 24-48 hours, contact your bank for authorization help. Banks can release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.